Vita Plus, a natural health drink, rich in vitamins and minerals, micronutrients and antioxidants, immunity-enhancing phytochemicals, packed with power herbs for that energy boost. Discover Vita Plus, so full of life.
Vita Plus, so full of life.
I've been experiencing dysmenorrhea from the time I had my menstruation, gano'n. This was the first time na wala. So talagang doon ako na-amaze. I've been taking all this medicine, mga painkiller, just for my dysmenorrhea. Tapos ito lang palang makakatanggal. People say, yung skin ko daw, kuminis using Vita Plus. Lahat sa atin, whether we know it or not, meron tayong nararamdaman na iba sa sarili natin. And I think, when they try Vita Plus, okay talaga yung effect.
Actually, maganda siya sa akin ang experience ko kasi number one, insomniac ako eh. So I used to sleep around 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the morning, no? Tapos gigising ako maaga, araw-araw puyat ako. And then when I started using it, gumanda yung napaga yung tulog ko. Yung I have muscle pains dito sa gastrocnemius, sa lower leg. Araw-araw yun, no? May muscular pain ako doon. Nung bago ako uminom nito, araw-araw nagpapamasaya ako sa misis ko, no? Tapos when I started taking it, practically nawala, and up to now hindi na umulit. Dati everyday yon, sumasakit yan, diba? Mga bata hindi naman kumakain ng gulay, particularly yung bunso ko, talagang hindi kumakain ng gulay yon, no? So ang problema namin talaga, wala siyang sustansya ng gulay. Problema niya, pag dumudumi siya, constipated, umiiri siya, no? Isang oras yung sa banyo. Iniiyak na nga ng nanay niya minsan eh, kasi hirap na hirap, nakakawang tingnan, liit-liit eh. Anyway, since nagsimula siya mag-Vita Plus, we've been giving him for about 3 months now. Araw-araw ang dumi niya, maganda na. 5 minutes, tapos na. Dati 1 oras.
Ang mabuti sa Vita Plus sa mga anak ko, yung panganay ko dati, hirap na hirap akong gisingin siya tuwing umaga, tsaka laging heavy yung katawan. Pero when she started taking Vita Plus, yun na nga, parang energized siya sa umaga, hindi ko na siya kailangang gisingin, so ready na siya. Magana rin kumain yung aking bunso. Plus, bihira na po silang magkasipon, tsaka ubo, yun yung madalas nilang sakit eh.
I'm inviting you to a brand new experience of wholeness, wellness, and well-being. Be free from stress and worry, and discover that the key to your good health is in a 100% all-natural Power Pack vitamin in a drink. It is what you need, and it is what your family deserves. Join me live the first Vita Plus life. First Vita Plus, so full of life.
Discover Vita Plus, a natural health drink, rich in vitamins and minerals, micronutrients and antioxidants, immunity-enhancing phytochemicals, packed with power herbs for that energy boost. Discover Vita Plus, so full of life.
Vita Plus, so full of life.